afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, to give you an I'm Landon Wiley to give you an update with some more additional information for the upcoming blizzard we got coming in to the northern plains, including the Black Hills of South Dakota. We'll give folks just a minute here to tune in. Okay, so we're going to start with the radar, live radar from the National Weather Service radar in Rapid City, South Dakota. So to view in counties in orange, blizzard warning. As you can see, that covers a majority of, well, it covers all of western South Dakota, north and north central, and parts of northeastern South Dakota, Sheridan and Cherry counties in Nebraska, and a relatively large chunk of North Dakota as well. So blizzard warning was issued for heavy snowfall, 1 to 2 feet, possibly more, and very strong winds gusting up to 65 miles an hour, so approaching hurricane strength winds. All right, to turn radar on. As you can see, there's some light rain off to the east of the Black Hills along Interstate 90, stretching from Murdo to just outside of Wall. Precipitation in blue, as you can see, that is snow. Already getting moderate snow in Pine Ridge, light snow in Chadron, moderate snow in Douglas, Wyoming already. As you can see, the darker blues just north of Highway 18, west or east of Highway 79 is actually a band of moderate to heavy snow. Looking outside here in Custer, it looks like it is starting to snow here in the city of Custer. It's, as you can see, it's very light snow, but it's not sticking as of yet, but it's really light, fine snow. Intensity will increase during the overnight hours into tonight, into tomorrow. Hello, thank you for tuning in. So, what are the threats? The threats for this storm system. This is today into Wednesday night for the Black Hills. Chance of heavy snow, extreme. Freezing rain, none. Winds, extreme. Visibility and travel, visibility will be with the winds basically near zero visibility, making travel impossible. Why is that? Because winds are going to be 45 to 55, gusting to 65 in some areas. Heavy snow, we're going to be talking snow in feet, not just several inches. We're going to talk several, possibly a couple feet. And if you're in the northern Black Hills, up into that Lee Deadwood country, you could actually see as much as 3 feet of snow with this storm system. So to talk about the 3-day snow accumulation, and again, keyword is 3-day snow accumulation. This is from now till noon tomorrow. For Custer, in between noon now or noon today to 6 p.m. this evening, we're going to look at right around close to 4.5, 5 inches of snow. That's what's going to fall this afternoon into early evening. Then from 6 p.m. this evening to midnight tonight, we're going to look at a total of, and these are the 3-day snow accumulation totals. I'll get into the breakdown of how many inches per 6-hour period we're talking here in a little bit. So 6 p.m. this evening for Custer, looking, or in between 6 p.m. So tonight for Custer, during the evening hours, we're going to look at 10 to maybe 10.5 inches of snow. Then from midnight tonight to 6 a.m. tomorrow, going to have around 16.5 inches, maybe closer to 17. Then Tuesday morning, going to be looking at 6 a.m. So Tuesday morning, we'll be looking at close to 20 inches of snow on the ground. And then tomorrow by lunchtime, be looking at 21.3 inches. Similar story for Hill City. Heaviest snow is going to fall be looking at around 4 inches between now and 6 p.m. this evening. Then during the evening and overnight hours, going to be looking at as much as, during the overnight hours, as much as 17 inches of snow. Then by 6 a.m. tomorrow morning, be looking at 20 inches, closer to 21. Then tomorrow afternoon, we'll pick up a couple more inches, putting Hill City around that 22-inch range. For Hot Springs, going to be looking at a lower snow total here as the track of the storm has shifted a little bit, but again, similar story. The heaviest snow falls during the overnight hours tonight into tomorrow. And again, this is the 3-day snow accumulation totals. So for Tuesday night into Wednesday, so totals, what we're looking at here. Custer, 21.6. Hill City, right around 23 inches, so we'll go right around 2 feet. Hot Springs will be just a little over a foot at 15 inches. All right, so to break down the snowfall rates, I actually mathematically figured this out. The snowfall rates per each 6-hour time frame given. So this afternoon for Custer, going to be right around 4.5, 5 inches. Then from 6 p.m. this evening to midnight, we'll be looking at an additional, and all this is per 6 hours, is additional snowfall rates. Keyword, additional snowfall rates per 6-hour period. So going into the overnight hours for Custer, midnight, be looking around an additional half a foot of snow, around 6 inches. Tomorrow morning, be looking at 1.5 inches. And then at lunchtime, just a trace. For Hill City, looking at about 4.5 inches for the remainder of the afternoon. Then again, that's between now and 6 p.m. this evening, about 4 inches. Then tonight, starting at 6 p.m. to midnight, be looking at 6.2 inches. Then from midnight to 6 a.m., we'll be looking at an additional 6.8. So you could probably round that to 7 inches. Then tomorrow morning, 6 a.m. to noon, an additional 4 inches. And then tomorrow afternoon, an additional 1.5 inches. For Hot Springs, it's already been snowing down there this morning. I'm not sure on how much snow's actually on the ground down there or sticking. But this afternoon, Hot Springs will be looking at about 2 inches. Then this thing really ramps up tonight with 4 inches from 6 p.m. this evening to midnight. Then tomorrow morning, or during the overnight hours, an additional 4 inches, maybe 4.5, from midnight tonight to 6 a.m. for Hot Springs. Then tomorrow morning, be looking at an additional 3 inches early morning to noon, and then during the noon to 6 p.m. time frame, be looking at an inch, maybe 1.5 inches. All right, so to continue for tomorrow night, from 6 p.m. on, as you can see, snow is going to taper off, but the problem is the winds. So that's going to be our greatest problem tomorrow night, Tuesday night, into Wednesday's going to be the winds. The winds will gradually diminish on Wednesday. Hold on, let me see if I can pull some information up here to talk about the winds. Give me 1 second. So to talk about the winds, this is Tuesday afternoon through Tuesday night. Blizzard conditions over western South Dakota, especially Tuesday afternoon, Tuesday night. Major disruption to travel. Winds will begin to increase tonight from the northeast. Northerly winds will strengthen by Tuesday with gusts around 60 miles an hour possible for areas east of the Black Hills through Tuesday night. Northwest winds will gradually decrease on Wednesday. So, for the 7-day forecast for the city of Custer, what were blizzard warning in effect from 6 p.m. this evening until 6 p.m. Wednesday night. Currently in Custer, it's 27 degrees. Winds are northeast at 8. Visibility down to 1 3/4 mile. And we got light snow. So, to talk the forecast here for the next couple days, this afternoon, snow. Snow could be heavy at times, high of 31. Wind chill values as low as 19. East wind 7 to 13 miles per hour with wind gusts as high as 22 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation is 100%. Total daytime snow accumulation of 3 to 5 inches possible. Tonight, snow. Snow could be heavy at times. Widespread blowing snow mainly after 10 p.m. Low around 15. Wind chill value as low as 2 below. Blustery with a northwest wind 16 to 23 miles an hour with gusts as high as 38 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 100%. New snow accumulation 10 to 14 inches possible. So let's recap that for a second. So according to the forecast this afternoon, they're saying somewhere between 3 to 5 inches possible. This afternoon. Then tonight, they're saying an additional, so let's say this afternoon we get that 3 to 5 inches. Then this evening we're supposed to get, here in Custer, supposed to get an additional 10 to 14 inches. So let's just do the math right now. That already puts us on the low end at 13 inches. So we're already on the low end just between now and tonight, just talking a foot of snow already. On the high end, we're already talking 19 inches on the high end. Tomorrow, during the day, snow. Snow could be heavy at times. Widespread blowing snow before 7 a.m. High near 21. Wind chill value as low as 3 below. Blustery with a northeast wind 20 to 24 miles an hour with wind gusts as high as 37 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 100%. New snow accumulation of 3 to 7 inches. Tomorrow night, snow, mainly before 1 a.m. Areas of blowing snow, low around 11. Wind chill values as low as negative 11. Windy with the northwest wind 24 to 30 miles an hour with gusts as high as 45 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 100%. New snow accumulation less than ½ inch possible. Wednesday, chance of snow mainly before 7 a.m., then chance of snow showers after 1 p.m., areas of blowing snow, partly sunny, high of 26. Windy with a northwest wind, 23 to 31 miles an hour, with gusts as high as 47 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation, 50%. Wednesday night, 20% chance of snow before 7 p.m. Patchy blowing snow before 7 p.m. Mostly clear, low around 10. Blustery with west winds 17 to 22 miles per hour, decreasing to 11 to 16 miles per hour after midnight. Winds could gust as high as 33 miles per hour. Thursday, sunny, high of 35. Thursday night, mostly clear, low around 20. Friday, mostly sunny, with a high of 45. Friday night, mostly cloudy, with a low of 29. Saturday, mostly sunny, with a high near 51. Saturday night, partly cloudy, with a low around 33. Sunday, chance of rain, mostly sunny, with a high near 52. So next week, it's sounding like it's going to warm up and actually kind of feel like spring. I've been asking where is spring at? Because obviously we're talking a blizzard with substantial snowfall here. So blizzard warning now in effect from 6 p.m. this evening to 6 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time on Wednesday. This includes Lee Deadwood, Brownsville, Cheyenne Crossing, Hill City, Mount Rushmore, Deerfield, Pactola Reservoir, Rochford, Rockerville, Custer, Jewel Cave, Pringle, Custer State Park, Wind Cave, Sundance, Wyoming, Aladdin, Wyoming, Beulah, Wyoming, and Four Corners. Blizzard conditions expected. Total snow accumulation 1 to 2 feet. Winds gusting as high as 50 miles an hour. Impacts travel could be very difficult to impossible. Widespread blowing snow could significantly reduce visibility. Gusty winds could bring down tree branches. A blizzard warning means a combination of snow, blowing snow, and strong winds will create dangerous whiteout conditions. So the next update from the National Weather Service is going to come out around 2:30 this afternoon. So I will try to put together some more new graphics to kind of help us keep track of multiple things here. But I will do another broadcast. I don't know if it'll be yet this afternoon or not, or if it'll be this evening. My guess is probably going to be during the evening hours. So if you didn't catch this live stream, it will be on my Facebook page for you to view. After it's done, it'll also be on my personal YouTube page as well. So stay tuned for further coverage of the 2023 spring blizzard. Have a great afternoon.